Hello and welcome back. Today we will see on software developer, engineer, expertise, roles, and their responsibilities. Software developer, engineer, expertise, roles, and responsibilities. A software developer engineer is a professional who designs, develops, tests, and maintains software applications or systems. Their role is crucial in the creation of software solutions that meet the needs of users and businesses. Below are the key points detailing their expertise, roles, and responsibilities. 1. Software design and architecture. System design. Creating the overall structure of software systems, defining how different components interact. Architectural patterns. Implementing design patterns like MVC, Model View Controller, microservices, or layered architecture. Scalability and performance. Ensuring the system can handle increased loads and performs efficiently under stress. 2. Coding and development. Programming languages. Proficiency in languages like Java, Python, C#, JavaScript, C++, or Ruby. Development frameworks. Using frameworks such as React, Angular, Django, .NET, Spring, or Laravel to streamline development. Code repositories. Managing codebases using version control systems like Git and platforms like GitHub or Bitbucket. 3. Testing and debugging. Unit testing. Writing tests to ensure individual components function correctly. Integration testing. Verifying that different modules work together as expected. Debugging tools. Using tools like Visual Studio, PyCharm, or Chrome DevTools to identify and fix bugs. 4. Collaboration and teamwork. Agile methodologies. Participating in agile practices such as Scrum or Kanban, involving sprints, stand-ups, and retrospectives. Code reviews. Reviewing peers' code to ensure quality and adherence to coding standards. Communication. Collaborating with team members, product managers, and stakeholders to align on project goals and requirements. 5. Software maintenance and updates. Bug fixes. Identifying and resolving defects in the software. Feature enhancements. Adding new features or improving existing functionalities based on user feedback. Performance optimization. Analyzing and improving the performance of software applications. 6. Security. Secure coding practices. Writing code that protects against vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, XSS, cross-site scripting, and buffer overflow. Encryption. Implementing encryption to protect sensitive data. Compliance. Ensuring software adheres to industry standards and regulations, e.g., GDPR, HIPAA. 7. Deployment and continuous integration. Continuous deployment, CI/CD. Build automation. Using tools like Jenkins, Travis C, or GitLab C to automate the building and deployment of software. Containerization. Utilizing Docker and Kubernetes for creating and managing containers. Cloud services. Deploying applications on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. 8. Documentation. Code documentation. Writing clear and comprehensive documentation for codebases to aid future development and maintenance. User manuals. Creating guides and manuals to help end users understand and use the software effectively. 9. Learning and adapting to new technologies. Continuous learning. Keeping up with emerging technologies, tools, and best practices in software development. Professional development. Attending workshops, conferences, and completing certifications to enhance skills. 10. Specialized roles within software development. Front-end developer. Focuses on the user interface and user experience using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript frameworks. Back-end developer. Works on server-side logic, databases, and application integration using languages like Java, Python, or Node.js. Full-stack developer. Proficient in both front-end and back-end development, handling the complete development process. Mobile developer. Specializes in developing applications for mobile platforms like Android and iOS using languages like Swift, Kotlin, or Flutter. Conclusion. A software developer, engineer plays a multifaceted role in the software development lifecycle, requiring a blend of technical skills, problem-solving abilities, and teamwork. Their expertise spans from initial design and coding to testing, deployment, and ongoing maintenance. By continuously learning and adapting to new technologies, they ensure the delivery of robust, scalable, and secure software solutions that meet user and business needs. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this, please subscribe to this channel and click on a bell icon to get the latest video notification.